trot, please.
Keep your elbows soft. Keep your head outside range.
Oh yeah.
Button,
Oh
right?
yeah.
Where's my horsey at?
Right here in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah, we okay. Very nice. Keep those reins nice and short. Push them to the rail.
Yeah, where's the top at?
Huh?
I thought it was wrong. I was like, I don't think it was wrong. You just picked the wrong name. There's different things happening. It's not going to look good.
Good, Jenna. Let's get a little bit
Why does
more
she put
drive.
everything that's not her
Keep
captain?
the button in. Get a little bit more.
It's young, naive.
Okay, now I want you to move yourself to the inside because now you're packed in. See that?
Canter, Michelle. Canter, please.
Wait for it.
Good. Good,
No.
good.
No.
Good button right in.
Fair.
Good.
Fair. What are you talking about?
He picked it up wrong.
I know, but he switched straight when he was on it.
Yeah. Shorten your reins up a little bit.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Don't let it get too far down. Nice and fast.
Knows his job and he's gonna do it. He got the hand go.
Oh, I know, I saw that.
I was like, dude, my horse is like moving out.
Walk, please. All walk.
Technically, yes. You fall forward. So no. Turn that.
This way, consistently, she constantly.
Don't brace on it,
Reverse
okay?
walk, please.
Don't
Reverse.
brace on it. Keep your elbows bent. Good girl. Make sure you don't get the brace.
It's okay, Kristen. We can kill her later.
Okay, go ahead and turn.
She mad at
Both had
her mom like bitched her out because she didn't bring her pleasure helmet. She brought her eck helmet. So, like really.
Halt, your horse.
Where's my horse at?
in the middle.
Of course. Hope. Okay.
Back 5 steps, please.
They don't make her look anymore.
Okay, just.
Alright, Trish went on that. You should look.
Walk, please. All walk.
You should look. I mean, that's proper.
She did look.
So when I did look, I did. Yeah, no, and she said she doesn't make them look anymore. So
Okay.
it's proper. Are we done after this? Is this it?
Yeah, I think dinner.
Soften your elbows.
Trot, please. All trot.
Make sure you frame them up, Lindsay.
Because Dee keeps brushing it and yanking it every which way. He's not doing gentle, he's just doing her tail. It's very cool that she got called back. Yeah. It's very cool.
Good, Jenna. Keep
Go
staying
left, right,
back
center, smile. Bump his head down. Make sure you're on the rail when you ask for the lead.
I told her don't ask for it.
And then I've got it.
Right. And she rides and consistently in the middle too. That's the other thing I've noticed.
Okay, get on the rail.
No, canter. Canter, please.
Get on the rail, then ask. Wait. Yeah, but okay.
Good girl, Jenna. Keep the button right up.
As if he was in a racetrack.
Yeah.
Got the wrong lead, like the gate opened for him. Good, get yourself on the rail, honey. Get yourself on closer to the rail. Closer to the rail.
And go.
You can hang out.
Don't brace, Jenna.
Come on, honey, get on the rail. Right behind these horses. Stay on the rail. You're way too much in the middle.
Please, trot. Let's try to line up facing your ring
Go around.
please.
Keep going one more time and it's right in front. Stay on the rail, honey. Stay on the rail.
child that was an intestinal term.
The fact that he came was like intense, no,